So really quickly, I'm going to show you how you post something to the forum and then how you can also do a search in the forum to find questions that other students may have asked. So let's say I come to this problem and I'm not sure what to do, and I've looked at the video or the ebook or the written example and I'm not sure, so I post this question to the forum. So it goes to the forum, I can say help, and then it will get posted to the forum. I just say post thread, and then it's posted in the thread, and I will see that, and I will answer questions Monday through Thursday. I log in every morning and check, and then I will log in periodically throughout the day. I am not sitting in front of the computer 24/7, so please do not expect immediate responses on homework, but I do look at them every day, Monday through Thursday, not Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So then I click on this, and you'll come in here, and sometimes I will answer the exact question that you posted, and sometimes I will answer one that is similar. So I will see this, and I will go in here, and let's say I'm just going to go ahead and do the problem that you had. So I will take it, and then I will solve it, and I will show you, and I will say how you do this. So in this case, I would say write each number as its prime factors. So for the top, I would have that 12 is the same as 3 times 4, and 4 is the same as 2 times 2. And so that would be the numerator. And in the bottom is the same as 8 times 3. So that would be 3 times 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. And then I would say reduce common factors. And so in this case, I can reduce a 3 and a 3, a 2, a 2, and a 2 and a 2, and I'm left with 1/2. So that would be my final answer, would be 1/2. So that's how I can reduce. So I post that reply to you. So then when you come back to the class, you can go here straight to I'm going to go back to the beginning of the class, and I can come straight here to the Math Prep Forum series, and in there are going to be all the lists of all the homework that I have answered. But you can also go and say, hey, I want to do a search, and I'm going to do a search for 0.1 section because that's what I'm working on. And if I put that in and I do a search, it will pop up all the problems that I have done in that section for you. So you can see the questions that are asked and the answers that are given. So that is how you post and answer questions and search for questions to homework problems. You can also answer each other's homework questions on the weekends when I'm not around. It's a really great tool for you to use. So that is the forum. Now, another thing about forums that you're going to notice is that you have the Math Prep 70 Series forum. That's for homework. There's the Welcome forum. There's the How to Be Successful in an Online Class. And then later on, you're going to have some newsletters that you do, and there will be forums for those as well. And so you will see those posts there. So that is where you can find forums, but you can also find that homework link right here at the very top in the front of our class.